Alright everyone, today we are here and we are going to discuss about FOMC meeting and FOMC statements. We are going also to discuss about Jerome Powell's speech regarding to last night, 31st of July. So let's start with the statement of FOMC. So here I opened the statement of Federal Reserve. You can go to the Federal Reserve.gov monetary policy subcategory and you can find it. So here let's start with the statement of the FOMC meeting. So at the first paragraph they mentioned that recent indicators regarding to economy showed a solid expansion, and it means that economy extended in the solid pace at the previous month, for example. And then they mentioned about job market. So in job market, as you know, job market moderated, and also on the other hand, unemployment rate already increased. But do not forget, they mentioned that but the unemployment rate remains low. Next line, they mentioned inflation, and as you can see here, they said that inflation has already eased over the past year, but it's still elevated. In recent months, there has been some further progress toward the committed 2% inflation objective. It means that inflation of the United States is going to the favor path of FOMC. So later, here we have the committee sixth. It means that in the second paragraph, you can see that the FOMC members mentioned that committee is pursuing that the two goals of the Federal Reserve, which is maximum employment and also balancing the inflation, and also it's better to say decreasing the inflation. So here they said that the committee judges that the risk to achieving its employment and inflation goals continue to the more into balance, to the better balance. It means that we are in the correct path of economy. So in the third paragraph, they mentioned that what happened, for example, for our today decision, and it's already here, and you can read if I zoom in. So here you can see they mentioned that the committee decided to maintain the target range of the federal fund rate at 5.25 to 5.5%. And later they said that the committee will continue reducing its holding of treasury securities and agency debt and agency mortgage-backed securities. It means the FOMC is going to continue shrink their balance sheet. And the last paragraph, it said that for example, FOMC is committed to bring a better situation for Americans people, and at the last lines you can see the voter who already voted. For example, Jerome Powell chairman, John C. Williams vice chair, Raphael Bostic, Bowman, and other people who are the participants of FOMC. So here I just want to talk about the last night speech of Jerome Powell also. As you know, Jerome Powell started his speech at 10:30 p.m. to the Dubai time. As you know, guys, we are sitting in Dubai, and our main office is located in Dubai. So I'm going to the chart of dollar DXY for 31st of July, and I'm going to find the 10:30, which was exactly here. At the beginning of Jerome Powell's speech, he started to mention some information and some updates regarding to the economy, and he said that economy is going to the to a better balance for inflation, It means that in the eyes of Jerome Powell, so guys, sorry, I'll go to the, it was here exactly. It means that the idea of Jerome Powell is that economy is in the right direction. He said at the speech and at the live conference, which was exactly 30 minutes after the statement. Later, he talked about labor market, and he mentioned that labor market has come into the better balance. And also, he talked regarding to the housing sector. In housing sector, he mentioned that investment is stalled in Q2. And also, regarding to the inflation numbers, he started to mention about PCE numbers on annually, and he said that last year we had 4% PCE numbers for core PCE. If you exclude food and other volatile categories like energy from PCE, you are going to reach core PCE. And he mentioned that core PCE is far less than the previous year, which was 4%. It means he mentioned that inflation fall too much. So you can see here, and as he started his speech, dollar started to depreciate in front of other currency. Here you can see DXY, and if I open other symbols like, for example, US 30. So you can see here, as he started his speech, market started to go high and higher because he was, we cannot say extremely dovish, but he was dovish, and about the level of confidence which he already mentioned in the previous meeting. So he said that we gained more confidence uh, than last meeting. It means inflation numbers, job market data, and also regarding to the growth and GDP numbers, it means economy is into the better balance than the previous meeting. And do not forget, he mentioned that if we see any extreme decrease of the job market, we are going to respond it. So that's why we can see here that US 30 started to go higher. So let me zoom in, okay? And it started to go higher for last night. And if I open gold, so you can see also same reaction here. 31st of July, and the price of gold was here, and immediately during his speech it jumped to the higher levels. Let me show you guys. It was exactly here at 10:30, and after he started his speech, you can see gold started to go higher, near to, we can say, for example, 1%. It means the price of gold jumped more than 1%. So here was the brief summary of FOMC statement and also Jerome Powell speech. Do not forget, if you combine fundamental and sentimental analysis with your technical, you can increase your win rate. And by the way, the probability of becoming a successful trader is going to be higher.